This recipe for spicy blueberry chutney is brought to you by Oregon blueberry growers. In this recipe, we're going to be making a delicious spicy blueberry chutney, and we're going to be able to use fresh or frozen blueberries. And in fact, I'm using frozen blueberries because they're not really in season right now. But I froze these in the summer at some of our Oregon U-Pick farms, and I have them in the freezer, and I can use them whenever I want for recipes like this. So that's a wonderful reason to freeze blueberries in the summer. I love chutneys. We have quite a few chutneys on our site at OregonCottage.com, and I get a lot of questions asking, what do you do with a chutney? What is it? And basically a chutney is something that you make with a lot of spices, different spices like cinnamon and ginger and mustard, and it's usually a little bit of sweet, and it's sour with a little bit of vinegar, and it's made with a main ingredient. So blueberries is our ingredient today. I've got some with tomatoes or rhubarb. So this makes such a great condiment for so many different things. We pile chutney on meats, on vegetables. It makes it just a quick appetizer. You can just put it on some cream cheese and it's ready to go with some crackers. So it just makes so many things better, and I love being able to have it on my table. So blueberry chutney, you will love this recipe. Let's make it. I hope that you make some of this incredible blueberry chutney. It was so good that I have another batch going on the stove right now in the background because it was delicious, and I can hardly wait to think about all the different things that I can use it on. It'll be great for the holidays, and I wanted to make sure to also put an idea that this would make a great gift. So how easy is that? I mean, you just put things in a pot and boil them together and put them in a can and can them, and you have a great gift to give to people, as well as using it for appetizers like cream cheese and on your holiday turkey.